So this is our 15th primary care clinic. Maxicare would like to enable the living the best life via our state-of-the-art primary care clinic.
Here in Bacolod, we offer you state-of-the-art equipment, no LOE needed, and then we have the best ambience to give you your best healthcare experience.
As soon as you enter our clinic, you'll be greeted by our staff, our nurses, and our customer service representative. And then you just have to tap your card, put in your queue number, and you'll be queued to any available specialist here in the clinic. You can also have procedures here in our clinic like 2D echo, ultrasound, and laboratories.
Please come visit us at our new Maxicare Primary Care Clinic here at Loop West, Mandalagan, Bacolod City.